There are different types of electronic devices used in networking for communication between different hardware used in the computer network. In a computer network, network devices are mainly used for transmitting and receiving the data quickly and securely in between computers, fax machines, printers, etc. These devices may be intra-network or internetwork. In a computer network, each network device plays a key role based on their functionality and also works for different purposes at different segments. Hello, welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. An enterprise network is an enterprise's communication backbone that helps connect computers and related devices across departments and work group networks, facilitating insight and data accessibility. It reduces communication protocols, promotes system and device interoperability, and improves internal and external enterprise data management. Enterprise networking is traditionally centered on LAN standards with hardware switches, router devices, Ethernet cabling, Wi-Fi connections, and integrated firewall software, all commonly used to create a local area network. Enterprise Wi-Fi enables users to access Wi-Fi connections on a business property using mobile devices, laptops, and other technology. Wi-Fi enables devices to connect directly to each other or to board networks to deliver information. It is a key technology driving the IoT concept and mainly operates in the frequency band of around 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Wi-Fi is expected to be the leading segment by connectivity in the network devices market. From Wi-Fi 5 to new Wi-Fi 6 and 6E routers, gateways, and access points, Wi-Fi connectivity provides the ideal performance, range, and overall value. A Wi-Fi router connects directly to a modem through a cable. This allows it to receive information from and transmit information to the internet. The router then creates and communicates with the home Wi-Fi network using built-in antennas, thus allowing all the devices on the home network internet access. The wireless nature of Wi-Fi networks allows users to access network resources from nearly any convenient location within their primary networking environment across commercial, industrial, and enterprise applications. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Cybersecurity is integral to national security, says Amit Shah. Addressing a conference on cyber safety and national security, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said cybersecurity is integral to national security and the Narendra Modi government is committed to making it robust. The Home Minister said the Ministry of Home Affairs launched a cybercrime reporting portal about 3 years ago, and so far 11 lakh different kinds of cybercrimes have been reported there. He also said the government wants to progress in digitization but at the same time ensure a secured cyberplace in India. MumbaiPolice issues advisory over fake SMS of unpaid electricity bills. MumbaiPolice issued an advisory regarding fake SMS or call-related unpaid electricity bills to trick citizens. Fraudsters pose as employees of electricity companies and send messages to citizens stating that if the electricity bill is not paid, the power connection would be cut off. This fraud has been on rise since the past few months, where hundreds of citizens fell victim to the scam. Over 10,500 employees were fired by 24 Indian startups. Layoffs across Indian startups have crossed the 10,000 mark as companies struggle to raise funds and are finding ways to reduce their cash burn. More than 10,500 Indian employees working at startups were let go in 2022. These layoffs are largely being done in sales and marketing roles, according to various industry sources, while engineering and product roles remained nearly unaffected. Startups like Meesho, Cars24, Ola, and Blinkit have fired their employees in masses. Over 25 startups have laid off employees in large numbers since the beginning of the year, citing fund crunch, restructuring, and so on, even blaming the employees' performances. Government to convert debt into equity from VodafoneIdea. Ahead of the 5G auctions, the government will convert its debt into equity in VodafoneIdea, which will help the financially stressed telecom operator to reach its ₹25,000 crore fundraising target. VodafoneIdea will issue shares to the government on a preferential basis to be held by the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Post the equity conversion, the government will hold a 32% stake in VodafoneIdea and the promoter's stake will get diluted to around 50% from the current 75%. CERT-In warns about multiple bugs in Cisco products. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team issued an advisory over 3 serious vulnerabilities, naming security bypass vulnerability, denial of service vulnerability, and information disclosure vulnerability in networking major Cisco products that could help hackers gain access, infiltrate into computer systems, and steal data. The vulnerabilities in products like routers and email or web manager could allow the attacker to gain unauthorized access, execute arbitrary commands, and cause denial of service attack on an affected system. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.